So I'm trying now to record the sound from the Mixer H6 Zoom H6, and I want to check how the sound quality is. It really going or not? It's using not the external cable from audio output, but more from USB, and I really dedicated this one with 7 channel, so it's like multi-track stereo, and want to see how the sound. And for the microphone itself, I'm using this Austrian Audio OC 18, so I want to see how the quality, whether it's good or not. So please let me know, because yesterday it wasn't really good and this time it's supposed to be better. Okay, so let me know. Thank you.